How to convert PDF to Word in phone. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now, type in PDF to Word converter. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to any of the website. Now, click on the option Select PDF file. Different options will appear. Select the option that is suitable for you. Now, select the PDF file. Click on Open. Now, click on the option Convert to Word. Now click on the option Download Word. The file has been converted. Now click on Download. Click on Open. And your file is ready in the Word version. So this is how you can easily convert PDF to Word in phone. Also, you can give a try to other websites as well. Likewise, you can also download apps like WPS Office, Adobe Acrobat Reader or PDF Converter. With these apps as well, you can easily convert PDF to Word. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.